Peace and love, brothers and sisters. This your boy Freeborn, Eternal coming at you once again, man. I just want to let y'all know this morning about the knowledge of self. You know what I'm saying? The knowledge of self, man, is powerful, boy, when you get the knowledge of yourself, man. It's so goddamn powerful, man, that people can't help but see that shit emanating off you when you enter into a building or in a room, or, you know, a motherfucker who has the knowledge of self, is the chosen, man. You know, everybody ain't chosen to get this knowledge and grab this knowledge, man. I had just stopped by the flea market and was talking to a brother that said, I bumped into a brother over there at the flea market, and he said he had been shot in the head. And we all have that person in our family who been shot in the head before, or a friend that we was growing up with that ended up getting shot, or some type of tragedy happened to that individual. You know what I'm saying? He said he was shot in the head because his sister boyfriend was beating on him. And the dude who his sister was with was also his friend. But when his sister boyfriend beat on her, he whooped his ass. You know what I'm saying? But the young cat couldn't take her ass whooping. So he came back and shot him in the head, man. I asked the God, I said, man, what did you blank out? God said, man, I don't even know. So I was like, damn. You know, next thing he know, he was waking up in the hospital. And so the question I had in my mind was, wow, how did this brother survive that? How the hell did this brother survive that? You know? And the only other answer that came to me from within myself was the energy that he had been putting out into the universe before that was his karma. See, dying would have been the easy way out. But because this brother got so many lessons to learn, and the brother had been, I'm guessing, putting out positive energy to survive something like that, and then be able to come back and talk about it. Even though the brother blind in one eye, just getting out of the hospital, he said, not too long ago, the brother was standing before me, speaking on this incident. That was amazing, man. That's amazing. That's some amazing shit. You hear what I'm saying? But so, make a long story short, man, it just was a fascinating conversation we was having when I was picking up my TV. And so I said that to say, when you have received the knowledge of self to become your greatest version or your highest version, you have to utilize that, brothers. No matter what, you have to express that. You must express that. You must express that. Another thing I want to comment on, man, is Brother Chief, man. Brother Chief, or some of y'all might know him as Nature Boy. He teach some good shit, man. And a lot of y'all be on his comments the negative shit. Not only that, man, some of y'all be on a lot of brothers platforms with negative comments and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? And so, with that being said, you know, no one can stop you or tell you what to do. But with that being said, man, think about your actions and what you're doing. Think about the knowledge that is being put out to you, for you, from these brothers, and the only thing you can do is reject it with bullshit ass comment, make fun of it, and just flat out just talk shit about what the brother's saying. And so, not really understanding that this is some good knowledge. This is some life-changing knowledge that's being put out here. Life-changing, absolutely life-changing. And so, because it changed my life when I came into the knowledge of self. You understand what I'm saying, man? So, if I can change, anybody can change. You feel me? Because I was a serious hardhead out there. I was a real hardhead out there on the motherfucking streets, bro. You know what I'm saying? And so I know for a fact, if the knowledge of self is powerful enough to change me, any of you niggas out there can change, man. Any of you niggas out there can change. And so, you niggas don't want to change. You know what I'm saying? You niggas is put here. You niggas is put here to try to condemn a motherfucker and try to down a motherfucker and leech off a motherfucking energy and shit. Like fucking parasites. You know what I'm saying? That's what you niggas and you hoes and bitches is here for, man. You know, and I don't give a damn what you motherfuckers say about me, cause I done been there, done that. I done did that shit. I done been motherfucking you know, whatever the fuck you can name. You understand what I'm saying? But my thing is, when you see a brother or a sister spreading some knowledge or some truth about some shit, man, you know, we can just only ask that you try to listen to the shit. Because it's good for you, man. You know, so hold on for a sec. Yeah, I'm back. Yo, but like I was saying, man, some of y'all people, man, are been bullshitting your whole lives. Y'all been bullshitting y'all whole life and ain't been around nothing but bullshit people. And bullshit people been motherfucking raising you and shit. And all you know is bullshit, to give other people bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Because you bullshit. You know what I'm saying? And so the knowledge never really penetrate because you got so much bullshit caked up in your motherfucking life and shit, in your mind, in your brain and shit, in your subconscious and conscious mind. And shit just you saturated with bullshit to where you can't receive when somebody trying to give you something that's good for you and that's gonna organically grow you spiritually and make you become a better person.